Alright, so I've been looking online for this tech product I'm gonna unbox very soon, and I found this for a very good price on Amazon Warehouse. So I'm gonna talk about why I really needed this product and why Amazon Warehouse deals is a very good place to shop for cheap tech. Let's talk about it. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is actually unbox the Amazon products. We're gonna look into it and see how good the unboxing process is and how good the actual product really is. We can already tell with the packaging, it was already opened because you can see the tape. So it's most likely a used product or a refurbished product from Amazon Warehouse. So if you look here, it says Amazon Warehouse deals inspected, repackaged. So it's obviously repackaged, as you can tell with the tape here. If we remove this tape, perfect. So we have the product here. Wow. All right, perfect. So we got it here. This is the Amazon 1 terabyte portable SSD, and it's the gray color. They have the blue and the red, but I felt like the gray just matched the setup that I have right now. I do wish I could have had this in black or white, but gray will do. All right, so we do have cables. So we have USB-C to USB-A. Don't really need that because the iMac is USB-C. So yeah, this is for the iMac, and this is USB-C to USB-C. So it does look like the cables are packaged a lot better than the actual box. As you can see, the packaging over here looks very damaged, but the product itself looks like it's packaged properly. So that's a good thing. These are just the documents for the SSD. So that's basically it. The unboxing process is very simple. The box itself, the outside box does look a little damaged, but the inside packaging for the actual product does look like it's done quite well. So I think with the packaging, if you're buying from Amazon Warehouse, it's gonna be mixed bag. Hopefully your product actually works. So I'm gonna test it out later on in the video. We're gonna test this portable SSD out and see how well it does. So when editing, sometimes I can't even upload the video because I don't have storage in my computer. I can't even export the video that I'm editing, and I have to delete my old videos to make space for my new videos. I do use the MacBook to edit videos when I'm on the go. When I'm home, I like to use the iMac. The fact that I have to delete some videos to make some room for the video that I'm trying to export right now can get annoying. So getting the SSD will actually help with my YouTube videos. As you can see, the storage is completely maxed out. I have to delete a lot of my videos in order for me to actually make room to upload more videos. All right, so since the iMac only has 2 USB-C ports on the back of the computer, so if you look here, we can see that there's 2 USB-Cs. We're gonna use the USB-C cable to actually plug in the SSD. So first things first, plug in the USB-C cable straight to the computer. The USB-C cable is not that long, so you're gonna have to keep it somewhere here. And I actually think that's a good thing because it makes it easier to hide the cable if you do need to hide it than it dangling around on the desk. I will find a way to hide the actual cable and the SSD, maybe behind the actual iMac. But for now, I'm just worried about having it plugged in and see if it actually works. Right, so the SSD is actually plugged in. You can see that there's a blue light, but if you look here, you can see that it shows up in the computer. So let's open the Finder and see what storage actually shows. SSD does show up on Finder as T7 as well. So let's go into the computer storage and see what the actual storage space is now that we have the portable SSD. All right, so if we look at the computer storage, we can see that it still shows 259 gigabytes of storage that we used and only 245 available. But if you look here, there's all volumes available. So maybe if we click that, we'll be able to see the actual SSD storage. Most of my videos are in the iMovie events folder. So what I'll do is drag that all the way down to the T7 SSD and see if the actual storage transfers from the actual computer to the portable SSD. There is transfers going on. So about 117 gigabytes being transferred. All Alright, so as you can see, the actual storage went down for the actual iMac storage. There's 74.87 gigabytes left. And if we go here on the all volume, you can see that the Samsung SSD is actually using about 117 gigabytes and we have about 882 gigabytes left. Alright, so I got this SSD from Amazon Warehouse. It's actually a great place to look for discounts. Maybe the packaging might not be pristine, but the product actually works and you can find a very good deal. So I bought this SSD for $98 Canadian, but the actual price was roughly about $125, $130 Canadian for the 1 terabyte SSD. So you are gonna find a good discount if you get this product or get any type of product on Amazon Warehouse. You're getting a very, very good deal just because the packaging is not pristine. And as long as the product works, the packaging doesn't really matter, especially if you're getting a very good discount on the actual product. If you're buying something on Amazon, go on the Amazon Warehouse deals first before actually buying new, because it's basically like a refurbished version of what you're gonna buy, and the refurbished version of the product feels pretty new. The only thing that doesn't feel new is the actual packaging. So yeah, go on Amazon Warehouse deals and look at their warehouse products that you can buy for a very, very low price.